Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a clean with me video.
I say hi?
In 1 second. I do apologize for not posting for a while. It's been hectic around here, still trying to unpack certain things and get all of that stuff ready. So I figured I'd do a clean with me video because I need to clean my house. I figured I'd get something out there. Yes. Say hi. Alright, go play. So I have already started on the bathroom. I will rotate the camera in a minute and kind of show you what I'm working on. Then I will show you what I need to do. Also, life hack, if you've got one of the Swiffer wet jets, you can actually take the these bottles, and if you get a pair of pliers and untwist the cap with a pair of pliers, you will be able to open it afterwards and refill it with your own cleaner. So that just saved me because I was out of floor cleaner. I had regular floor cleaner, but I didn't have any, I don't have like a regular mop. I only have the Swiffer wet jet. So that just saved me on cleaning that. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to flip the camera, I'm going to show you all the stuff that I got to do, and yeah, we'll get started. So this is my bathroom. I already swept and mopped the floor. I like this tile floor, but I hate it because it never looks clean, and I literally just mopped this. So I have to clean the toilet, I have to clean out the shower. That's going to get done. I was working on the sink now. Gonna wipe down the mirror, and then I have laundry I gotta do. I gotta go in and deep clean this child's playroom because she made it all a mess. So I gotta go ahead and deep clean that. Gonna try to figure out a few different things in here as far as like where I can put her table that she's got paint and stuff all over and all of that. Get down, please.
No.
Get down, please.
You're doing a video?
Yes. So this is my dining room / craft office room. It's more so going to be an office and craft room. I cannot speak. I got my, yes.
I said the post office is going to come.
Post office already came. So I brought my old bookcase from my previous apartment. So that's going to be like one of my shelving stuff. It's housing that stuff for now. So this is like all of my stuff for my chocolate stuff. This is all of my craft stuff that I gotta go through, set it all up, figure that all out. So maybe I'll do a video on its own of that. I really need to wipe that down. Be nice to Mickey. Hi, Mickey. So then I have to clean the living room because she trashes my living room all the time.
Look at that, Mickey. Look at that.
And then
Look at the happy
I gotta come in here and do the kitchen dishes and stuff like that. And I'm gonna be, I think, Mick! Why do I try doing videos? So, yeah. So I apologize for all the screaming, the yelling, the barking. It happens every time I do a video. Absolutely every time. Go, please. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be finished doing the bathroom. When I'm done with the bathroom, I will show you the finished product, and I'll be back. Oops, I forgot to pick up my sponge. Ugh. But the sink is all clean. Toilet is all clean. Shower is all nice and clean. The bathroom is done. I cannot find my glass cleaner, so I can't wipe down my mirror, but the bathroom is all nice and done. My daughter is working on her playroom. Say hi.
Hi.
So when she picks up all the toys, I'll sweep and stuff, and then we'll go off to the next room. So while I'm outside taking a quick break, I figured I'd update you guys on some of the things that is going on with us here. One of the projects I'm going to be doing over the summer is redoing my kitchen countertop, because the laminate itself is bubbling up and coming off. So I'm going to try to figure out a way to just re-laminate the actual countertop that's there. I don't know if I'm going to either re-laminate it or if I'm going to epoxy it. Haven't decided yet on what I'm going to do with that, but that will be its own separate project that will be coming out in the summer, when I actually am able to have the windows and stuff like that open. And then, like I said, I'm going to be doing my dining room. Well, I call it my dining room, but it's my craft office room. That's also going to become my filming room. So when I do like any like DIY stuff or anything like that, this is going to be like part of my filming room. So it's still right now housing a bunch of boxes. I still have a bunch of boxes in the closet. Stuff I got to go through, figure out where I'm putting. Next month we are actually getting insulation all done. So I haven't set up my daughter's room yet. That video will be a separate video because I want to paint and stuff, and do that. So this kind of be like a whole series that I'm going to do eventually for the house of like any updates or painting and stuff like that. So you'll have to make sure you stay tuned for that. Again, majority of that is going to be coming in the summertime, like spring, summertime, because it is still like really cold out and I can't have like windows open, and I'm not going to paint and stuff like that if I can't have windows open. So we're going to be doing some updating stuff during the summer. We're going to be working on the backyard in the summer, figuring out where we're going to put all of our like outdoor toys, and we're trying to do a drainage system for around my shed because the shed floods if like we get a lot of rain, just because of how it's sitting and stuff like that. So my husband and I are working on something to do with that. We want to create like a fire pit, really cool stuff out back. So yeah, so there's a lot of stuff going on. Again, I apologize for not really doing too many videos lately since I last dyed my hair. That was like really one of my last videos, and I actually have to re-dye it again soon. But yeah, so that's just a quick little update that I just wanted to throw in here while I'm out having a break. And doing this video kind of worked because it got my daughter to clean up and pick up her playroom, which has always been a hard thing to do. So yay. So I will be back once I've finished up sweeping her playroom and all of that stuff, and then I will be probably going into the living room next, and the kitchen I always do last because I gotta do dishes and stuff like that. I gotta bring laundry downstairs, have to do laundry. I don't know if I showed you guys my laundry setup, but I will show you while I'm down there, so stay tuned. Alright, so the playroom is swept, mopped, picked up, wiped down our table, the bird is all clean. I need to find more like storage stuff for like these bigger toys over here in the corner. She's recently got a lot of Barbies, all of her stuff is overflowing from that, so I need to figure out more like shelving or something to do with this room, but this is how good this one's gonna be for now. She did a really good job picking it up. Alright, so I just wanted to show what I'm doing. I have moving my couch out of the way. She's jumping all over it, trying to get up all of the stuff that she keeps throwing underneath and behind it, all the food, everything. So I'm going to sweep it all.
Can you take a picture of me?
No. I'm going to sweep it all, and then I'm going to mop it, and then I have to fix my curtains that they ripped down. See, she gets a whole bunch of crap underneath my couch. It's disgusting. Alright, so my living room is clean. I gotta find a bigger screw because that got completely ripped out of the wall, so I gotta figure that part out. So I have that left. But outside of that, the living room is nice and clean. During like the spring or summer, whenever we start to get the really nice weather, I'm going to take my carpet cleaner out and carpet clean my actual couch because I don't have a kitchen table, so we kind of eat in the living room, and my daughter gets food everywhere on this couch. But outside of that, the living room is at least clean minus fixing my curtains. On to the next room. So outside of the dirty clothes that I gotta bring downstairs, her car kind of stays right there, but I swept and mopped the hallway as well. So that's done. So all I have left is this lovely kitchen that I gotta do. We took a long break for a little while ago because I needed to do lunch and stuff like that. And now it's like 3:05, so it's kind of taking a break. But yeah, so I still have all this to clean. I gotta clean the cat box and stuff like that, so I'll be back. Alright, so the kitchen is all clean. I just have trash to take out. But outside of that, everything is clean. I opened up my windows because it was a little nice out and needed to air everything out because my daughter decided to spray a bunch of cleaner all over the place. Hey. So that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.